Hi, I'm attorney mediator Brian Victor, and I want to talk a little bit about parenting plan mediation. But first, I want to explain a little bit about my background in the field of child custody and parenting plans. I worked at the San Diego Superior Court at Family Court Services doing child custody mediations for 11 and a half years, during which time I had clients come before me who had issues with trying to reach an agreement regarding parenting plans, and I was responsible for doing the mediations with them. During their session, they would explain the history of what was going on in their matter, and then if they were able to reach an agreement, I would draft their agreement for them. If they were unable to reach an agreement, I then would make recommendations to the family court judge regarding what parenting plan these individuals should have for their children. Now, parenting plan mediation is really important because if you have a dispute and cannot reach an agreement, mediation is a great way to try to work together to try to have a neutral third party, the mediator, help you come up with a parenting plan for your children. What I usually do with my clients is we will meet, we'll talk about some history, and we'll go over the parenting plan that is either currently in effect, or if there is no current parenting plan, we'll talk a little bit about, what each party wants to see as being the parenting plan. I will explain to them what the court usually requires to be in a parenting plan, and I will help them try to come up with a plan that not only works best for each of them, but also is in the best interest of their children, because that really is the goal for both myself as a mediator and for the court, is to make sure that whatever plan the parents come up with is going to be in the best interest of their children. So the great part about working with mediation and trying to come up with a parenting plan is that each parent really has their own say as to what the plan should be. And it's working together with the neutral mediator to really come up with a pretty concrete parenting plan. And when I say concrete parenting plan, what I'm really talking about is a plan that includes the basics, right? The custody plan, what days, what times each child is going to be with whatever parent they're going to be with. Some things parents don't think about a lot is maybe a holiday plan. So in other words, what holidays are the parents going to share with their children? Is it going to be in alternate years, or is it going to be a split holiday plan? For example, one parent gets morning, other parent may get afternoon with the children on the holiday. Other aspects of a parenting plan people don't think about a lot maybe is vacation time. In other words, how much time is each parent going to be able to have with their children, where they can maybe take them out of town or just do special events with them, where they have maybe a week or extra block of time with the children to be able to spend time with them. So those are a couple aspects of parenting plans that when you can work with in mediation, you're able to really focus on pretty in-depthly actually, and really try to come up with a plan that's going to work. Now, not all plans are going to last forever. So if you have young children, the plans may change as the children get older, as their needs change, or there's more extracurricular activities. And extracurricular activities are something that should be considered in a parenting plan. For example, what activities will the children be participating in? What times? What days of the week? Who's going to take them to their activities? How it's all going to work out with school and the regular parenting plan. So again, these are areas we will cover in parenting plan mediation. There's a whole bunch of other areas we can talk about, and maybe that's for another day where we have more time to discuss it. But basically, the point I want to get across here is that parenting plan mediation is a really good idea when parents are able to work together to focus on the best interest of their children and can work with a neutral third party such as myself and help them come up with a plan that is going to be in the best interest of their children. Obviously, if you're in need of coming up with a parenting plan for your children, feel free to reach out. We can discuss the mediation process further. All my contact information is going to be on this video. I hope you all have a good rest of the day, And hopefully you learned a lot from this video. Take care.